Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for the Monday, 28th of August 2023. See what's happening in the market, especially for the Monday, and we'll look at the news for the rest of the week as well. All right. So let me start share my screen with you. Right, as you can see, this Monday is bank holiday in UK, and the rest of the and AUD have one medium impact news. Normally, we're interested in the dollar news, and as let me share you with you that Tuesday we have for heavy impact news, AUD USD. Wednesday we got heavy impact. Thursday with USD and medium impact, and also so this Wednesday, Thursday 130 USD and heavy impact news, and some other currency CNY. If you trade in CNY, there's some medium impact different currencies. USD on Friday have heavy impact. So apart from Monday, rest of the week is mainly most of the time the heavy impact and medium impact news, especially heavy impact in the US dollar. So that's what Forex Factory says. And going back to Dixie, let's see what's happening with Dixie. Dixie in daily is standing at this resistance level, and there's a rejection. And according to this, we can see that there's a possibility of a reversal. Let's see where the RSI stands. RSI is at the top as well, so we can possibly see a reversal from here. So as in 4H, you can see in 4H this similar scenario in 1H. Let's see. Going back to 4H and yeah, so the possible reversal from here, and 3-day and weekly similar situation. So we can possibly see a reversal from here in Dixie. In the weekly, you can see as you can see in here in weekly, there's fair value gap in weekly as well. So if you want to reverse it, possibly can come to this level. So let's see anyway. We always go how the market reacts during the daytime. We don't just blindly trade. So we have to work accordingly what happens during the day. Going to gold weekly, as you can say, is bullish, and we expect the market to go further to the upside, especially if the Dixie goes to the downside. And in daily, as I said in last week's analysis, that this daily, in fact, I didn't say in the last week analysis, but however, I did mention in one of the streams, I think, or one of the webinars, I can't remember. But this daily pattern, this candle showed that there might be reversal from here. And that's what happened. Market reversed from there. Also, you can see that there's a 0.38 Fibonacci level as well. So we have confluence of Fibonacci level and this support area as well. So there was a reversal from here in daily 4-hour. And yeah, and also there's a fair value gap here, very important fair value gap. You must know these fair value gaps. They give you very good trades with confluence of other factors. And 4 hours, as you can see, that market filled this fair value gap, and we are expecting. I'm expecting the market to go up, especially if this level is broken. Then I can expect market to go to the upside 1923 level, which market is expecting. It trying to break this zone. Market is trying to break this zone. Let's see in 4H, but it hasn't been able to. However, if it breaks, then we can see this 1930 level, 32 level, 35 level, and 38 and around 40 level. And further up, we got this fair value gap around, let me, yeah, as this 1950 level. And further on, we have other levels. That's the upside story. However, if the market decide to come down from here, then it has to break down this level, 1911 level, come here, and then maybe range, or then see what it will decide after that, to the upside or to the downside. We always refine our entries in the smaller levels. So I hope this is helpful, and all these days I try to go live, and I do have live stream, especially during the New York session. So that can be helpful for you as well, guys. So that's it for now, and I hope you have a good trading day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.